Hello dear FMGE students, this message is for those students who could not clear their exam this time. My message to all of them is please do not give up. This exam is not going to decide your destiny. What is going to decide your destiny is your resilience against this failure. So please remember that this does not define your destiny. Your destiny is somewhere else. Probably destiny might be teaching you a harder lesson this time, but next time definitely it will not disappoint you. Right now, what should be your approach? At this moment, when you see the lot of success around you, you might be feeling little nervous or anxious or maybe dull or depressed also. But what is my advice to all of you? Try to enjoy the success of those champions who are your buddies or your friends, because you are also going to become a champion like them one day. And at this time, what I will say, you must start your studies with the full focus on the PYQs. As I had already said in my classes, that please try to follow the PYQs of the NEET PG and INICT exam. Please, these are very crucial MCQs, and many MCQs had been asked in all the subjects, not only pathology. In all the subjects, many questions had been asked from here. So don't ignore them. Right now, focus on them. Try to solve maximum amount of MCQs from their PYQs. Then focus on revising your notes. So at this moment, you have to engage yourself in your work, because this is the only way which can distract your mind from the depression or any kind of negativity. Remember my word, the best method to get the distraction from the depression is engage yourself in your hard work again. So this will definitely give you positive in your long run, in your exam which is going to happen in the June or July. So this is what you have to follow in your preparation route. Right now, start focusing on solving the PYQs. Whatever subject you find that it was difficult for you or you could not understand, try to master them in these 10 to 20 days with full efficiency. Don't think about the past. Past is gone. Don't sulk about it. I know you all have done very hard work, but this result is not going to define your future. So think positive and try to make a positive impact in your June exam in 2025. And don't feel any kind of negativity or depression in your mind. When you are looking at your friend, enjoy their celebrations, be the part of their celebration. So I know that it is a difficult part, but when you will do like this, I'm telling you, this will give you more positive energy for the future effort. And this is what you have to go ahead from here onwards. Focus on the PYQs of the AIMS and NEET PG. Try to build concept. Don't run for the rapid revision or any kind of short courses. They are not going to help you in the long run. Short courses, rapid revision will work when you will give effort for the full concept understanding. It is only for the kind of supplement to the regular course or the regular kind of studies, and focus on revising your own notes. So at this moment, my last word for you is to start revising your notes and do the PYQs. Don't waste your time in sulking about anything about your past. This is the moment you have to start without losing hope in the future. And my best wishes to all of you, and I'm very sure that you all are going to shine in your exam in the June 2025. And once again, my best wishes to all of you.